Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode of Idiom. We are going to see idioms related to stars or planets. Okay, if you are new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like the content, and share it with your friends so that they can also use the content. Also, you have content from NIOS Computer Science, Maths, and English. If you are willing to look at that, please go to the playlist and check out all the videos. You have sample paper of latest NIOS subjects. Okay, let's begin. Now we are going to see the first idiom, that is walking on Mars. The meaning of walking on Mars is experiencing something new or alien or feeling out of place. Okay, something different. So a sentence would be, when she visited the tech conference, it felt like she was walking on Mars among all the innovations. So that is the sentence using the idiom walking on Mars. And how does this originate? Let's find out. So its origin is like, Mars is considered as an alien landscape where something is unfamiliar to you. So walking on Mars means something to be done which is out of the environment or out of your comfort zone. Next idiom that we are going to see is as bright as a star. So it means very brilliant or intelligent, that is full of potential. The sentence with this idiom would be, her future is as bright as a star after winning that scholarship. About the origin, it is considered as the brightness of a star, where it symbolizes hope and intelligence or excellence of something, and it is compared to the star. So it is there in the literature from long time. Let's go to the next idiom. Mercury in a hurry. It means someone who is quick or fast in their actions. A sentence would be, he finished the report like Mercury in a hurry to meet the deadline. Origin, if we talk about origin of this particular idiom, Mercury, it is the fastest of the solar system planets, and its name is, it came from the Roman messenger god due to his speed. So that is the origin of your idiom Mercury in a hurry. Let's see the next idiom. Over the moon. It means to be extremely happy or to be pleased. Sentence would be, she was over the moon when she received her acceptance letter to the university. About the origin of this particular idiom is, moon considered as high and bright. So over the moon means to be extremely happy. Okay, so this usage is in the literature from a very long time. Let's go to the next idiom. Saturn's ring. It means something that is flashy, but ultimately it is superficial. The sentence would be, the advertisement looked impressive, but it was just Saturn's ring, nothing of substance top, something of substance inside. About the origin of this idiom is, like Saturn, it is famous for its ring, which is visually flashy or visually visible, but actually it is not solid. So the idiom usage came from this. And hope you understood the idioms that we have used in this video using the planet source or the stars. If you liked this content, please don't forget to give it a like and share the content with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel to get the notifications on time. Thank you for watching. Do comment in the comment section if you liked the video.